C Supreme, it's not just your usual vitamin C. It's your new generation. It's your new normal, new smart vitamin C. Remember that. This is your new generation, new normal, new smart. Again, this is a smart vitamin C. Now let's discuss this thoroughly. Next. This is the box and this is the bottle of our C Supreme. It's a revolutionary formulation, a new form of vitamin C in lipid metabolites. It enhances the delivery system, the availability, the absorption kinetics, the distribution uptake, the concentration, and the utilization efficacy of this particular vitamin C, not only inside our bodies, but inside the cells of our bodies. So that's so clear and that's so important for us to discuss thoroughly. Next. Now, C Supreme has supreme absorption. It has supreme retention, and it has supreme performance. All of these three are proven not only in marketing materials, they are proven backed up by science with human clinical data, meaning they have tested this particular product, claiming this absorption, retention, and performance in superiority as compared to your usual vitamin C, to your usual vitamin C that are ascorbic acid, the ascorbates, and the ester C. Next. So what makes C Supreme unique than the other usual form of vitamin C? These are the tables where it exactly enumerates in terms of storage, in terms of distribution, in terms of performance, in terms of usage. Next, why C Supreme is way, way better than the usual. Next. So it's made with Pure Whey C. Remember that. Made by Pure Whey C, this is the active ingredient of C Supreme. Came from the United States. It's manufactured in the United States. Remember, the active ingredient itself is manufactured in the United States. Next. Next. Okay. C Supreme, it has an exclusive natural herbal formulation consisting of 500 milligrams. Again, it's 500 milligrams of ascorbic acid. But it has a stomach-friendly formulation. How did it happen? It's ascorbic acid and it has a stomach-friendly formulation because apart from the 500 milligrams ascorbic acid, it has citrus bioflavonoid complex and it has lipid metabolites. Now, Pure Whey C have undergone proprietary microencapsulation technology. If this is the ascorbic acid, they encapsulated it with bioflavonoid complex. They encapsulated it with lipid metabolites, making it so superior as compared to other forms of vitamin C. Next. It's backed by research, reliable, peer-reviewed medical journals, meaning PhD doctors, medical doctors were the one who researched and tested this product, and other PhD doctors and medical doctors agreed to their research and to their tests. Now, it has superior results compared to other vitamin C in terms of retention inside our body, in terms of absorption. It's quicker, it's faster, it's more rapid, and it works faster as at the cellular level as compared to your usual vitamin C. Next. Now, how does C Supreme increase absorption and retention? Now, C Supreme, it has, as I mentioned earlier, citrus bioflavonoid complex. And it has lipid metabolites. Next, which makes the absorption to the first barrier. The first barrier is the stomach. Okay, usually ordinary vitamin C, they have difficulty or challenges in being absorbed from the stomach to the bloodstream, to the circulation. Now, because of the lipid metabolite formulation, because of the citrus bioflavonoid attached to the ascorbic acid because of the lipid metabolites attached to the ascorbic acid in that particular proprietary process, which is microencapsulation, they were able to successfully pass the first barrier. Next, now apart from the first barrier, there's another second barrier from the bloodstream to the cells. Now again, it's important for the vitamin C to pass the first barrier from the stomach to the bloodstream. As important from the bloodstream to the cells. Now, most of the vitamin C, they have this particular challenge. Now, the good thing with C Supreme and the Pure Whey C formulation, we're able to successfully pass the second barrier from the bloodstream to the cellular membrane of the cells, meaning it has 100% absorption and retention inside our bodies. So what are the clinical studies or data prove particular claim? There you go, 233% higher absorption as compared to your usual vitamin C, the ascorbic acid, the ascorbates, the calcium ascorbate, the sodium ascorbate, and even ester C. Supreme C or C Supreme Pure Whey C has 233% higher absorption rate. Next, it has 3 times faster as compared to stimulating the cells to form new collagen. It has rapid fibroblast healing, meaning in terms of wound healing, this particular vitamin C acts 3 times faster as compared to your usual vitamin C. Next. Again, as compared to your usual vitamin C, it delivers 12% more antioxidant and 11% higher free radical scavenging activities tested by the ORAC method and the DPPH method. These are methods on how to measure the antioxidant or the free radical scavenging activity of the supplement. These are the clinical studies proving that all of these things that I've made mention of clearly separates C Supreme from the rest of your vitamin C in the market. Next. Now, these are some of the laboratory research in vitro showing better performance, better absorption, better retention, next, of C Supreme as compared to your usual vitamin C. These are the human clinical studies showing that Pure Whey C, the content, the active ingredient of C Supreme, has better absorption, better retention, better performance. It remains inside our body for a long period of time as compared to your usual vitamin C. Next. Okay, next. Okay, this is what I'm talking about earlier, the clinical data showing how efficient, how effective, how the rapid absorption and retention and performance. Next. Show them the 2 other clinical studies. There you go. Next. Now, C Supreme, this is your new generation, new normal. Next, new smart vitamin C. Okay. Are you excited? When will this be made available? Here you go. The new form of vitamin C that will be available out in the market. New generation, new normal, new smart vitamin C. Guys, leaders here in the Philippines, this product, C Supreme, your new generation vitamin C, will be available within the next 2 months. Available within the next 2 months. Thank you. So watch out for the new product out there that will sweep the market for better immunity, better protection, better supplementation with C Supreme, Pure Whey C. Sometime August of 2020, leaders here in the Philippines, there's a new product to offer to the market. It's going to be one of the best product out there.